Hi everyone, Judy here, your Maestra. Welcome to our short video series that happens every Friday. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to say what was that in Bisaya. What was that? Unsa to? Unsa to? Unsa to? Unsa to? Okay, what was that? Unsa to? Okay, let's break it down. Unsa is what? And then to is actually a contracted word of kato. You are actually referring to uh, a person, a thing, or what the person was saying. Okay, to that. Okay, it is something the person was saying or referring to. That's why we say to. Okay, to again is a contracted word of kato. That. What was that? What was that? Unsa to? Unsa to. Okay? Very short phrase, guys. 2 words only. What was that? Unsa to? Okay? Very useful in a day-to-day conversation. Check out the rest of the lesson at my site, Cebuano101.com. I'll see you there, guys. You can chat with me at my site anytime. Okay. I'll see you again next Friday for another short video lesson. Don't forget to give me a like. Okay. Bye.